Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, DRP Enterprises, and Deck Restoration Plus. We're along the Delaware River. Beautiful view here. Beautiful view when we've done this job. It's great to be here. We had to rebuild this gazebo. The way it is, there was no place to really get one in unless you brought it in from the water. So this was a rebuild. When we got into it, we realized that the framing underneath was built with cedar instead of pressure treated. So we redid the floor, redid the foundation, and rebuilt everything while still leaving the roof up, which was quite a challenge because this is a very large gazebo. So what we did was reframed everything out, all new lattice, and then they went with a darker brown tone. It actually matches the deck, which is up along the house. And the deck actually has a gray floor with this. But here they just went with the one color. So this is something a little bit different from some of the jobs you've seen, which is why we wanted to highlight this. Obviously it's not a deck, but this is the type of work we do. This could be on your deck, it could be connected to your deck, it could be away from your deck like this one. It's an interesting challenge, it's a lot of fun, but this is what we do, and this is what our carpenters and our restoration team members do at DRP. So it's a fun project, rebuilding everything, staining everything, 2-coat, wet on wet application, and again, another great job by the DRP team, and really proud of the work they did here. It was a long project actually to get where we are today, and they really did a great job. So not just decks, so if you need us to do the work for you, just give us a call. We're local, 609-268-3436, and check us out online at deckrestorationplus.com, and you'll see some more samples on our profile with some beautiful work that we've done, and this is going to get added on there real soon. So thanks for watching the video, and give us a call for your next project.